Chapter 7, Promoting Number Sense. Pick one strategy for number sense. I chose real counting on. Here's a picture from the book of what that would look like. It's a paired activity the students can play together. Player 1 flips over a card with a number on it, places that number of counters in the cup. Player 2 rolls the dice and places it next to the cup. They fill out this card right here to show what's in the cup, what's on the side, which is the dice, and they figure out together what's in all. They count on from this number. So the numbers, they know that 4 are in the cup, and they count on 5, 6, 7, and they write 7 on there. I picked this one because it helps students learn to keep one number in their head, then count on to the second number. This leads to understanding addition problems. Chapter 8, Contextual Problems. What would a lesson based on context look like? So one lesson that a teacher could focus on is work a simpler problem. A teacher would focus this strategy to help children with word problems that have numbers that are too hard to think about in their head. They would teach the students to find the significant numbers in the word problem, then pick a smaller number. Instead of 685, they would pick something like 7 or 10. And then, instead of 7.5, they would pick something like 24, or they would pick something like 5 instead. That way they can come up with a formula that goes with the problem, do the formula, and then replace the easy numbers with the original numbers from the problem, making it easier to picture. In the book, they showed where students, if they had the smaller numbers, they could make the drawings easier, and they could maybe use counters easier. You can't have 685 counters, but you can have 7 counters or 24 counters or something like that. So that would be a nice lesson to help students be able to come up with a formula without having to think of those big hard numbers. And that's the end.